Hey everyone, welcome back to Malaxia de New York, where we bring you the latest and greatest in motorcycles, reviews, and all things two-wheeled. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today we've got something truly exciting lined up. If you're a fan of superb bikes, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 is a machine you're definitely gonna want to know about. Let's dive into it. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a moment to appreciate just how iconic the Suzuki GSX-R750 is. Suzuki has long been known for producing motorcycles that not only perform well on the track, but also provide a thrilling experience for street riders. For years, the GSX-R750 has been a fan favorite, offering that sweet spot between the GSX-R600 and the GSX-R1000. And the 2025 model takes everything we loved about its predecessors and refines it, bringing new features, improved performance, and a fresh design. So, whether you're a hardcore track enthusiast or a daily rider, the GSX-R750 in 2025 is something you need to consider. But enough of the generalities, let's get into the specifics. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 is its stunning design. Suzuki has given this bike a sharp, aggressive, and aerodynamic look. They've taken inspiration from their MotoGP bikes, and it really shows. The front end is sleek, with a newly designed LED headlamp that's more angular than ever before. This aggressive stance not only looks fast standing still, but it also serves a functional purpose, improving aerodynamics and reducing drag at high speeds. The fairing on the 2025 GSX-R750 is more compact, allowing for better airflow around the bike. In fact, Suzuki has reworked the fairing to make the bike more agile in corners, while also improving cooling efficiency. And let's not forget about the color schemes. You can expect the classic Suzuki blue and white, but there are also more bold and edgy options for riders who want to stand out. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 is all about balance. The 750cc engine has always been praised for offering the perfect mix of power and agility, and this new version continues that tradition. It's powered by a liquid-cooled, 4-stroke DOHC inline-4 engine that produces an impressive, announce the exact numbers yet. We expect it to deliver around 150 horsepower, with a torque figure that will keep you grinning from ear to ear. What's even more exciting is the improved engine mapping. The 2025 GSX-R750 has been fitted with the latest Suzuki Drive Mode Selector SDMS system, which allows you to choose from different riding modes depending on the conditions. You've got 3 distinct settings: Sport, Comfort, and Wet. Each mode adjusts throttle response, power delivery, and traction control settings, ensuring the bike performs optimally no matter the road or track conditions. The gearbox is also an area where Suzuki has made noticeable improvements. The 2025 GSX-R750 comes with a 6-speed constant mesh transmission that's smoother and more precise than ever. Suzuki has refined the quick shifter, and now gear changes are nearly instant whether you're upshifting or downshifting. The clutch has also been revised, giving it a lighter pull, which is especially useful for track days when you're shifting quickly in and out of turns. On top of that, the GSX-R750 features a bi-directional quick shifter, allowing you to shift both up and down without using the clutch. This is a fantastic feature for riders who are looking to get the most out of their time on the track, as it keeps the bike in its power band. and reduces the risk of losing precious milliseconds when shifting. It's a feature that brings this bike in line with some of the more advanced machines in the market. Let's talk about handling, because this is one area where Suzuki really nails it with the 2025 GSX-R750. The chassis has been completely reworked to improve stability while maintaining the bike's trademark agility. The frame is constructed from lightweight aluminium, which helps keep the overall weight down without sacrificing strength or rigidity. The suspension setup is another highlight. The front features a fully adjustable Showa big piston fork (BPF) that offers exceptional damping performance. Whether you're riding on the street or hitting the track, you can fine-tune the suspension to suit your needs. The rear comes with a Showa shock absorber, which also provides adjustability for preload, rebound, and compression damping. The balance between front and rear suspension is well tuned, allowing for a comfortable ride yet also delivering precision handling when you need it the most. Whether you're carving corners on your favorite twisty road or accelerating hard out of a turn on a track, the 2025 GSX-R750 is designed to offer superb feedback and stability. When it comes to braking, the GSX-R750 continues to set the bar high. The 2025 model comes equipped with a set of Brembo monoblock calipers at the front, paired with 310mm floating discs. These calipers offer exceptional stopping power, and the improved brake pads ensure that you get a clean, responsive feel from the lever. The rear brake setup has also been enhanced, ensuring a balanced braking performance when you need to scrub off speed. Adding to the braking package is the new Suzuki Advanced Traction Control System, ATCS. This system works in tandem with the bike's braking to prevent rear wheel lift during aggressive braking, helping to keep the bike stable, especially in tricky situations or on the track where high-speed braking is frequent. Technology on the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 has seen major upgrades. As mentioned earlier, it comes with Suzuki's drive mode selector, but it also includes a suite of other electronics designed to make the riding experience better. One of the key upgrades is the new Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SRS, which combines various features like traction control, power modes, and anti-wheelie control into one cohesive package. The system is fully customizable, and riders can adjust it to match their riding style and track conditions. For those who love to tinker with settings, this will be a dream. Additionally, the GSX-R750 now comes with a full-color TFT display that shows everything from speed and revs to gear position and ride modes. The display is bright, clear, and highly readable, even in direct sunlight. And it's now connected to a smartphone app via Bluetooth, so you can track your bike's performance, get maintenance reminders, and even download ride data after your session. While the GSX-R750 is undoubtedly a performance machine, Suzuki hasn't forgotten about comfort. The ergonomics of the 2025 model have been refined to offer a more natural riding position, especially for longer rides. The handlebars are positioned slightly higher than on previous models, which reduces the strain on your wrists and shoulders. The seat is also redesigned for better comfort during extended rides. With more padding and improved support, it's still a sporty riding position, but Suzuki has managed to find a sweet spot between performance and comfort. The foot pegs are adjustable, so you can fine-tune them to your preferences, whether you're using the bike on the road or at the track. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 is expected to be priced around $12,000 to $13,000, making it more affordable than some of its larger superbike competitors. It offers an incredible value considering the performance, technology, and build quality you're getting. As for availability, Suzuki has already started taking pre-orders in select regions, and the bike will likely be hitting dealerships worldwide in early 2025. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 is a stunning combination of power, performance, and technology. It takes everything that made the GSX-R750 great and refines it, offering an even more thrilling experience. Whether you're on the track or the street, this bike is designed to offer an exhilarating ride while still being accessible for riders of all skill levels. If you're looking for a bike that strikes the perfect balance between performance and everyday usability, the 2025 GSX-R750 is certainly one to consider. What do you think? Is this the bike you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with your fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.